Good morning, children. Welcome to your Pebbles class. Take out your Pebbles book and open the chapter that we have done in our previous class. The boy who cried tiger. In our previous class, we have done till the first page, that is page number 12. Today we will start from the next page. In our last class, we have discussed how the boy that lived in the village near the forest, whose name was Budhu, he used to go to the forest with his sheep and he used to get bored in the forest. So to pass his time, he thought of making some fun with the villagers. So in the afternoon, one day Budu thought that he might do a little bit of fun, and so he suddenly starts crying, "Help, help, tiger, save me." So for today, we will go to the next part of the story. The next part of the story says, the farmers from the land beside hear Budu's cry. The farmers who used to live beside the land heard Budu cry and think, sure, Budu and our sheep are in great danger. They thought, that's for sure, Budu and the sheep are in great danger. Let's go there. चलो हम वहाँ चलते हैं. हमरा ओखाने जाए. Hurry! They do not waste a second and rush there. They quickly went there to see what has happened. But what do they find? When they reached there, what did they find? There is no sign of any tiger. There was no tiger. Everything is perfectly alright. Everything was fine. Budhu and the sheep all are safe. Budhu and the sheep were okay. They were not in danger. Ha ha ha. Budhu laughs loud. Budhu starts laughing. The farmers understand the whole thing. The farmers now understand that Budhu was making fun. They get slightly angry, but they do not scold Budhu. They got angry on Budhu, but they did not say anything to him and returned to their work. They went back to their work. They thought, what do we say to a little boy? Let's go back to our work. A few days later, the same thing happens again. A few days later, after a few days, Budhu does the same thing. He again shouts, there's a tiger. The farmers think, this time, surely the tiger is there. This time, the farmers think that, no, this time, surely there is a tiger. Let's go. And they rush again. But where is the tiger? There was no tiger again. This time also Budhu and the sheep are fine. Again they see that Budhu and sheep all are fine. Now the farmers become very angry with Budhu. Now the farmers get angry on him. They warn him, you naughty boy. They scold Budhu, you naughty boy. Don't do this. We miss our job. We come to save you leaving our job. We have job to do. If you do this anymore, we are sorry. In future, we won't come. They tell him that if you do this anymore, we will not come to save you anymore. We will think again that you are again making fun of us. But Budu cannot control himself. Budu cannot control himself. He seems a fun game to him. It seems a fun game to him. He thought, so what? They are angry with me. I will again do the same thing. It's a game for me. So he repeats. He does the same thing again and again. The farmers come, scold him, and go back. Every time the farmers run to come and save him, and they again see that he was making fun, and they again go back. There lives a tiger in the forest. There was a tiger, a real tiger in the forest. One day, when he cannot find any prey in the forest, one day when the tiger could not find anything to eat in the forest, he comes out. The tiger comes out and notices the herd of sheep and sees the herd of sheep. There are a lot of sheep. He becomes very glad. Glad means happy. The tiger becomes very happy. He also sees Buddhu. He could see Buddhu also. Buddhu begins to shout in fear. Buddhu is now very scared and he starts shouting. But this time no one comes. This time nobody is coming to save him because everybody is thinking that he is again lying. He is again playing the fun game again. Everyone takes it as Buddhu's false cry. Everyone thinks Buddhu is doing a false cry. The tiger eats all the sheep one by one. The tiger eats all the sheep. He also eats Buddhu. Buddhu also gets eaten by the tiger. The boy who cried, tiger. Buddhu, he was the boy who used to cry, tiger, tiger. Now this time, tiger eats the boy. So what do we learn from the lesson? That no one trusts a liar. If you lie, if you say every time that has not happened actually, people will not believe you after some time. People will come to think that you are a liar. So we must always say the truth. Okay? In our next class, we will write the word meanings. I will give you